USB-C is pretty much everywhere these days, including even in things like keyboards, even split ones. You'll see this cable is USB-C, and this cable is also USB-C. Wait, no, that's not USB-C. Well, I have a keyboard for you that has USB-C. It has two boards, two keys, and best of all, the left side is just an off-the-shelf microcontroller, and I'm using its native USB. So, I'll show you. It's a keyboard, so it can type. Now maybe you're wondering, this keyboard has two identical USB-C ports. What if I mix up the cables? Well, lucky for you, I made a circuit board that'll make sure that the cables are always routed to the microcontroller the right way. And it identifies which one has power and which one is going to the other side. But this is big, so I combined it all into one. And I can prove to you that this thing will work no matter which way you plug in the cables. You could also program it from either side. It doesn't matter which USB-C port you use to program it from. So, surprise, surprise, if I plug it in the way it was before, it works. And if I swap the cable, it should continue working. It takes a little while to boot up because this is running CircuitPython, but give it a moment. There we go! It works. So, that's all. Thanks for watching, and there is more to come later.